Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. Today in this video we shall be discussing about the post-market report for the day. As you can see in front of your screen is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The American market is very much active at the moment and can be seen last traded at 26,049, which was a fair down of 489 points. Whereas now if we come to the Indian market, we could see that the Nifty fell down by 0.90% and closed at 11,102 rupees. Whereas rest of the sectoral indices are that Nifty Next 50 last closed at 26,565 rupees, which was a fair hike of 132.35 points. Whereas coming on to the Nifty Mid Cap 50, it declined by 48.90 points and closed at 4,256 rupees. Whereas now coming on to the Nifty Auto, which was seen last closing at 7,287, was down by 42.40 points. Lastly, the Nifty Bank was seen to be closing at 21,646, which was a decline of 429.75 points. Whereas now coming on to the FII, FPI and DII trading activity on both NSE, BSE as well as MSEI, the FII, FPI recorded a buying value of 6,462 crores, whereas the selling value was recorded as 6,254 crores, whereas the total net value was 207 crores. Whereas now coming on to the DIE trading data on both NSE, BSE as well as MSEI, we could see that the buying value was 5,558 crores, whereas the selling value was recorded to be at 5,945 crores, making it a total of 387.24 crores in minus. Now coming on to the contribution to the index, we could see that the Reliance, which was being witnessed earlier as the biggest contributor, was sidelined for certain time period, but again came onto the track and could be seen as the biggest contributor to the index by contributing 9.20, followed by Dr. Reddy Labs, which contributed 5.42, Infosys 5.36 and Sun Pharma 3.30, and the list goes on with several other companies. Now let's check out the top 5 gainers and losers for the day. Dr. Reddy's Lab, Sun Pharma, Wipro, Vedanta, Maruti Suzuki were the ones who tried to pull up the market. Bharti Petroleum, IndusInd Bank, Indian Oil, HDFC, that is Housing Development Finance Corporation, and Axis Bank were the ones who tried to pull down the market. Overall, Dr. Reddy's Lab was considered as the topmost gainer with 4.60%. Now coming on to the quarter results which are to be declared tomorrow are Cosco India Limited, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, JSW Energy Limited, Khaitan India Limited, Tata Chemicals Limited, Vijay Textiles Limited. These are the companies who are going to announce their quarter results tomorrow. Well, that's it guys. I hope you like the video. I'm extremely sorry that I'm having a very bad sore throat, through which my voice has not been much audible, but still as a daily commitment I try to come up with a post-market report, and henceforth I completed my commitment by providing you the post-market report. Also I also published another one which is related to HDFC, that is Housing Development Finance Corporation, who have released their quarter results as of today. So I have also published that video also, so you can have a look on that video as well. Well guys, if you like the video and if you like my commitment, then I would request you to subscribe to my channel, as well as I will request you to click on the bell icon for timely updates. Lastly, I would also request all of you to share this channel in your contacts, and I hope to see you soon with another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.